What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Joe, and we're back with another video. Now, today is release day. So you know what that means? It's time for another video. So today I have for you guys the UNLV Nike Dunk Lows, or the politically correct term is medium gray. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all. When I saw this shoe online, I was like, it's alright. Not really feeling it. It's cool, like it's a dunk, bam, it is what it is, whatever. You know, I got the Kentucky Blue dunks. I really mess with those. These, I was looking like, there's nothing really special about those. But if I get these in hand, I don't know, my opinion definitely changed. If you was feeling the same way, and you feel different after watching this video, please let me know down in the comments. But, I'm gonna jump into it. So as you guys know, this is the same base that Virgil used with his off-white dunks. Clearly these UNLV dunks came out before, but Virgil added his little own spice to it. So I'm glad that these dunks are actually finally coming out without the off-white branding on there and without the extras, if you will. But this is a clean shoe. This is a clean shoe. Now there are some imperfections for sure, but I'm gonna be honest with you, it's nothing too major. I wasn't going to keep these actually, but I think after just having them, after doing the unboxing, looking at them, I think I'm gonna have to keep them. It's definitely something I want to have in my collection. So yeah, man, let's just get into this review. Let's stop talking. All right, so looking at the toe box, you have that medium gray perforated leather right there. Then you do have that red leather going around the front of the shoe. If you look at the sole, it does have a white sole with your signature red stars right there on the front of the sole. So now as we go to the side of the shoe, that red leather continues up and you have this medium gray cutout with your red Nike swoosh right there. Honestly, it is a very simple shoe. The colorway is pretty consistent throughout the whole shoe. Going to the back of the shoe, you do have that red leather there, and then you have your gray Nike stitching here, and then you do have the gray sitting right there that's connected to that Nike swoosh there. Let you guys see that. And then again, same thing on the inside of the shoe. You got your gray panel here, red Nike check, and then you got your red going throughout the whole shoe. Like I said, very, 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 very simple shoe, but I do think that simplicity is what makes it, such a great shoe. So let's jump to the front of the shoe. Right here, you do see that the shoe does come with red laces. The tongue is gray, and it is gray mesh. So it's not leather going up the tongue, it is gray mesh. It does have your red Nike branded up there, and then it has a red mesh trim right there. I think one of the coolest things for this shoe for me, which you can't even see the shoes, see this while you're wearing it. So I don't even know why I feel like this is one of the features that stood out to me, but it's that orange Nike symbol right there on the insole. I have no idea why that's my favorite part of the shoe, but I love how they incorporated that orange in the shoe. Like I said, you can't see it, but for some reason, it's like, you know what? It just added a different dimension to the shoe. For me personally, y'all may not care, but I definitely think, I don't know, like just looking at it like this, it just adds something for me. But yeah, that's pretty much the shoe, honestly. Here's the sole, your standard Air Jordan 1, Nike Dunk, Air Force 1 sole. Right there, you got your Nike brand in there. Let me flip it up so y'all can actually see it. But yeah, like I said, this is a very simple shoe. I did review the Street Hawker SB Dunks on the channel, and these are nothing like that. Those are crazy insane. The detail for those is amazing. So I definitely had to go over the box, the wrapping paper. But with these, this is your standard Nike box, so I don't even want to waste y'all time with that. I just want to definitely focus on this shoe right here. I definitely think these stay true to the original UNLV colorway that dropped way back when. So, I mean, I definitely think it's a solid cop for those sneakerheads that just want something simple but want to stay true to the game. So, yeah, this is definitely a great shoe for me. I'm not gonna say it's a must cop. I definitely think it's a cop if you love dunks and you like this colorway. But it's simple. It's not gonna be one of those shoes that's catching everybody's eye as you walk down the street. But what I'll say is, it's definitely gonna speak to you, if you like this shoe personally. So I think honestly that's all that matters. So yeah, man, like, these are shoes. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.